Hi friends, this is Rakesh. Today we are going to discuss about a program to find the number is a odd or even. So this is a very basic program. Suppose if you are newbie or if you are at the initial stages of programming language, if suppose if you are at the initial stages of learning the programming language, then this video would be very useful because this is a basic program. If you learn this program, then you can easily do programming for simple logics, so that it would be very helpful to do the complex level programming programs also. So the logic behind the number odd or even is a number is even if it returns 0 as a reminder when we divide it by 2. For example, 10 is a number. If we divide it by 2, the quotient would be 5 and remainder is 0. Similarly, a number is odd if it returns 1 as a reminder when we divide it by 2. So for example, 11 is a number. When we divide it by 2, the quotient would be 5 and the remainder is 1. So the logic behind the odd or even in terms of programming language is we should do remainder operation on a number. If it returns 0, then it's even number. If it returns 1, then it's a odd number. So I have used the program. We are going to write a program to return whether it is odd or even. So this is a while loop which will run for infinite number of times. The reason behind that is I have the condition for the while loop would be always true. And the scanner is used to get the input from the terminal. I am trying to get the integer input from the terminal and I am storing that in this variable number. So here comes our logic. To get the remainder of a number, we need to do the remainder arithmetic operation using this symbol and then this number 2. So number arithmetic remainder operation and then 2. Here what it would give is, if suppose the number is 10 means the remainder would be 0. If suppose the number is 11 means the remainder would be 1. And then if suppose the number is negative, for example -1, the remainder would be -1. If the number is -2 means the remainder would be 0. So we should capture that into absolute value. So what we need to do is we need to use a math function math.abs. So here it states that it returns the absolute value of an int value. If the argument is not negative, the argument is returned. If the argument is negative, the negation of the argument is returned. For the second case, if suppose the remainder is -1, then negation of the remainder is -1 of -1, which should be +1. So we need to do the absolute for handling the negative numbers also. If you click on this, it will go to here. The actual code here is, this is a conditional ternary operator. If number lesser than equal to 0, then return negation of that number. So if number is -1, then minus of -1 is +1 would be returned. If it's greater than 0, then the same number would be written. So this is the actual code inside the ABS function. And then what we need to do is we need to use a conditional if check. If remainder equal to 0, then we need to return. Then we need to print is even, else if remainder equal to 1, then we need to print it's a odd number. So if you run this program, you can give n number of inputs. So first I'm giving 12, it will return even. If I'm giving 19, it will print as an odd number. If suppose if I'm giving 0, it will return even. If suppose if I'm giving -1, it will return odd. Suppose if I'm giving -2, it will return even. So like this, you can give any number of inputs. The output for these inputs would be correct because our logic is correct. We have handled negative numbers also. So this is the initial program by which you can kickstart your knowledge. So thanks for watching this video.